Goodness gracious. Welcome to Planet For Me. I'm your host and your new BFF, Louis Baragona. I've been scrolling through my phone reading your DMs, and I just got a great one from someone wondering about how and who the heck to invite to their wedding and why everyone thinks they're invited. Okay, this is an extra tough convo, so let's get straight to it. It's Jello shot time! Okay, that was messy, kind of like this DM I just got from one big guesting game. They're in a pickle. They say, I'm having a guesting meltdown. Thought we invited everyone until my partner's fam decided to show me a list of around 40 other people they absolutely want there. We're nearly at guest cap and budget, so it ain't happening. What do I do? I am screaming. Inside voices, please? I feel your point though. You're in a tough spot. Not only are you down to the wire from dollar to guest count, you're also having to serve as a bridge between you and your partner and the fam. We've got to figure this out. Let's not channel our inner Oprah, you do not get a +1 and you do not get a +1. No. If we're going to be adding to the guest list, the randoms cannot bring even more randoms. Either way, you're gonna have to communicate. 5 extras, fine. 40, that's an issue, kind of like mushrooms on pizza. Form a united front with your partner and remind the fam that both space and budget are limited, though you can compromise a tad. Also, when in doubt, I rely on a very simple rule I like to call the kindergarten birthday rule. Remember those childhood parties in which you had to either invite everyone from your class or nobody from your class? There are certain groups of people who get the very same treatment from your wedding. If your future in-laws are proposing you invite, say, one great aunt, that cannot fly. It's in bad taste after all. Sorry, Aunt Donna, but you're not coming in, and neither is Uncle Earl. We're being selective and specific. Kindergarten birthday rule, same goes for the coworkers, invite all or none, hun. Another rule of thumb, if they're not contributing money, they are not contributing to the guest list. If the fam is pitching in and the venue can make it work, they're on the hook for those 40 friends. Need to show them a real life example? Want to see how crazy a guest list can get? Let's do a little experiment. Squad assemble. Guys, this is just my main team here at the Knot, not even their +1s. See how truly nuts your guest list can get when you're not careful? There are barely enough Jello shots to go around, let alone a 4-hour open bar. And that's just plain sad. Why would your fam do that to me? To you, they would not. Just show them this video. I will see you on the next episode of Planet For Me, where you slide in my DMs and I plan it for you. Cheers, and someone give me a Jello shot. Cheers, guys.